Once the American Heart Association said that, "Protect your heart today for a healthier life tomorrow." Welcome to Flicky Facts. Have you ever thought about how simple it could be to keep track of your blood pressure from the comfort of your home? Imagine using a device that provides reliable readings and connects directly to your smartphone. Let's talk about the iHealth Accu KD5811BT wireless blood pressure monitor and explore whether it might be a helpful companion for managing your heart health or not. So stay tuned to learn more. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the iHealth Accu blood pressure monitor, a cuff, an instruction manual, a storage bag, and 4 AA batteries. If you want to buy the iHealth Accu blood pressure monitor from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Display indicators: systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, pulse rate, irregular heartbeat symbol, low battery symbol, deflation symbol, Bluetooth symbol, cuff wrap OK symbol, cuff wrap symbol, and body movement symbol. Install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Set up with app. Download and install the iHealth MyVitals app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign into your account, synchronize with your blood pressure, and take health notes. Safety precautions. Avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Connect the cuff with the monitor. Wrap the cuff around the upper arm with the cuff tube pointing downward. Step 2. Make sure the cuff is about 1 finger above your elbow and fits 1 finger between your arm and the cuff. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart, and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the LCD display. Measurement classifications: normal blood pressure, fluctuation, blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips. Features. The iHealth Accu blood pressure monitor provides a user-friendly experience with its simple one-button operation. Proven accuracy you can trust. iHealth blood pressure monitors are built for confidence with clinically informed tech and industry recognition. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. Offers up to infinite readings saved on the device with unlimited cloud storage when connected with the free companion app iHealth MyVitals, allowing you to store, track, and share your blood pressure measurements with your smartphone. Support 2-user mode. Stores up to 240 readings for 2 users, M1 and M2 provide easy access to each user's readings. Specifications. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your iHealth Accu blood pressure monitor. See you in the next one.